Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Earlier on we looked at the Eec dual dated 50p that I managed to get off eBay. Now I did pay £20 for this. I'm not a huge fan of cleaning coins, however I do believe this one does just need that little bit of a help. I would never really recommend giving coins a clean. You definitely the chance there of losing all of the value on the coin. But we're going to risk it with this one. The first magic trick with there in my hand didn't work. Hopefully this one does. And there we go. We've got ourselves a nice cleaner coin. Now I definitely wouldn't recommend going any further with this one than what I have done. I think then you're really going to start losing the value of the coin. It is going to be tarnished anyway. It was in really bad condition. And I think what I've managed to get from it, I'm really pleased with. And I definitely wasn't expecting to get a finish on it like I have now. We'll quickly go back then to what the coin looked like before, and then we'll look at the after one again, just so we can have a look there at the differences between the coins again. So there it was in its really worn state, and I think we've got a really nice finish on this coin. It's never going to be in perfect uncirculated condition again. And that really is one thing that you've got to take into account if you are going to clean them. Just give them that little bit of life again, but don't try and go too far with them. What I use to clean the coin is the pink stuff. It's a miracle cleaning paste with a little bit of cotton wool there, just carefully going around the edges of the coin. I will understand that everybody will have different ways of doing it. Some will think are better than others. But for me, I've paid £20 for this. It's definitely worth the £20 in my opinion now. And to me, this has got to be a £30 to £35 coin for minimum. It's never going to be an £80 and perfect uncirculated. But what we do have to remember, only 109,000 of these were ever made, so giving them a little clean, they're always going to be worth money just because of its rarity. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you've got any really nice ways of cleaning coins, always good to hear. Always nice to get other people's views on how to clean them, and hopefully I've done a good job with this one. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and as always, thanks for watching.